Hi guys, hope you are doing great. The latest iOS 17 is already out. Many users out there and I have already installed the iOS 17 beta. You can install it as well if you want. Whether you are on iOS 16 or 17, if you install any third-party app, you must enable the developer mode. So in this detailed step-by-step video, I am showing you how to enable developer mode on iOS 17 as well as how to fix developer mode not showing in iOS 17. Let's first see how to enable developer mode on iOS 17 if it's already there on your phone. Later I will show you the fix. Before I start the process, hit the like button so the other users can see it as well. Here you can see on my device, I just installed the dopamine jailbreak app to demonstrate it. First, it's asking me to trust the app. Let me just do that. Once it's trusted, still it won't open and show this developer mode required error. Now I need to enable the developer mode. For that, go to settings, then in privacy and security. Here, scroll down to the bottom. In the last section, you will see the developer mode option. Tap on it and enable it from the toggle. After that, restart your device. It's a must. After the restart, it will show you a pop-up to turn on the developer mode. Tap on the turn on button and now the installed dopamine app will open. By the way, I already have posted a detailed video about how to download dopamine jailbreak and jailbreak your A12 and above devices running on iOS 15 to iOS 15.4.1. I will put its link up in the cards and in the description below. Now this was how to enable developer mode on iOS 17 if it's already available on your device. Now what to do if you see developer mode required error and it's not available on your device? Then you need to install it first. That is what I am going to show you how to fix developer mode not showing on your device. For it to install, we need to first download developer mode IPA on our computer. For that, go to this link. You will find it below in the description. Here, scroll down to this section and here, click on this link. It will start downloading. If you are on a Mac, you need to tap on Allow button to download. Once it's downloaded, now you need to download the Sideloadly on computer. Here is a link to it. I am using Sideloadly for this as it's not needed to be installed on the device first like the Altstore. But you can use that if you already have installed Altstore on your device. Keep in mind guys, if you are on Windows computer, then first you need to download iTunes and iCloud from the Apple website. If you already have installed iTunes and iCloud from the Microsoft Store, uninstall them first, then install them from the Apple website. You will find the links to both in the description as well as on the Sideloadly page. One more thing for the Windows users, once you install iTunes and iCloud, then restart your computer first and then follow the next steps. The installation steps are same on both Windows and Mac. While recording this video, I felt like it's more of a Sideloadly video than enabling developer mode as there are multiple things you need to do if you are installing Sideloadly for the very first time on your Mac. And guess what? I have covered them all. Now double click on the downloaded Sideloadly DMG file. On this window, just drag and drop it on the applications folder and it will install it. On Windows computer, just install it by clicking on the next buttons. Now once it's installed, now double click on the applications folder here. You can go here from the Finder window as well. Find Sideloadly and double click on it. First it will not open. You need to allow it in the settings, then it will open. For that, go to settings, then in privacy and security, then in the general tab, and here click on open anyway. If it doesn't let you do that, then click on the unlock button and try again. Once you allow it, now you can open Sideloadly. Here it is. Now again, if you are using Sideloadly for the very first time, you will see this error where you need to enable the Sideloadly.mail bundle from the mail app. Click on the apply button and the mail app will open itself. Here you must be logged in through any email account, then you will be able to access the preferences. Let me just quickly log in the mail account. Guys, I am covering everything, and if you have made this far in this video, hit the like and the subscribe button. That way YouTube will push my video to the other users as well. As the email is logged in, now go into preferences from the mail app. Here, click on the manage plugins. Then here, click on this Sideloadly plugin.mail bundle option. Click on allow access on this pop-up, then click on apply and restart mail option. After that, the mail app will restart. Once it opens again, do not close it, just minimize it. Now the Sideloadly is up and running. Now I will show you how to install developer mode IPA on iOS 17. First, attach your device with the computer. Hit the trust button on your attached device and it will recognize it on the Sideloadly. If you do not trust it, it will not recognize. Now put in your that Apple ID which is signed in on your connected device. You can use any dummy account if you want. Put in your Apple ID. Then tap on this IPA button and select the downloaded developer mode IPA. Once you select the IPA file, click on the start button. First, it will ask you to put in password for the added Apple ID. Now here are a few steps you must need to perform if you are using Sideloadly for the very first time. If you have used it before, you will not see these. Put in the Apple ID password, then it will show you another pop-up to enter two-factor authentication code. You will see this only if you have enabled two-factor authentication on your device. Put in the code you receive. If you do not receive it, then click on this SMS button and you will get it on your device. After that, if you see this error, this means the added Apple ID is used for many devices already. If you see this, then you need to disconnect some of the added devices. Let me just show you how you will do that. Go to the settings, tap on your Apple ID name, scroll down. Here you will see all the attached things to your Apple ID. Tap on the one you want to remove and remove it from the list. Once you do it, go back to the Sideloadly and cancel this error. Then again click on the start button. The process to install developer mode IPA will start. You can see it on my device as well. As you can see, it's completed. Now the developer mode will show on your device. Give me a thumbs up guys. Although the installed IPA will also show you error that developer mode is required, but if you go into settings, privacy and security, here at the bottom you will see the developer mode option. Tap on it, then tap on the toggle to enable. Restart your device and again after the restart tap on the turn on button in the pop-up to enable developer mode on iOS 17. Now you can open the installed apps. Give me a thumbs up guys if you have successfully installed it. Now one more thing. You can delete the installed developer mode IPA if you want, and still the developer mode will be turned on and apps will work fine. Just in case if you disable it later, then you have to repeat all the steps we just performed on the computer again to enable developer mode on iOS 17 for the apps to work. That's all guys, how to enable developer mode on iOS 17 and how to fix if developer mode is not showing on iOS 17. Thank you for watching.